Kind of reminds me of something. Hello folks, and welcome to another awesome episode of Oregon Motorcycle. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change the oil in my electric dirt bike, the Talaria. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is to remove this skid plate here so we can have access to the gearbox on the other side. So I'm just going to take these two bolts off on this side, and then we'll go to the other side and take the other two bolts off. Okay, we're going to see if we can just get away with letting this hang here for now. Now we need to remove this cover. There's a little bolt up in here and a bolt down here. So let's get those taken out. Okay, now we have the gearbox here exposed, and we have the drain plug down here, and we have the fill plug up here. Alright folks, so I did a little bit of cleanup in here and just kind of wiped it down a little bit. What I'm going to try to do is just get this drain plug loose and just try to catch the oil in this thing here. 11/16 is not a perfect fit, but I don't know, maybe a 16 will fit better. And there it is. Looking a bit milky. Kind of reminds me of something. So it looks like there's a little, like, dipstick. So maybe we just fill it up till we can see some on this dipstick. I don't think there was that much in here. Alright folks, there you have it. It's still dripping a little bit, but this is what I got out of it. It looks like it's about maybe 75 milliliters, if that. Maybe even 50 milliliters. So I thought there was supposed to be like 150 in here or 120, but anyways, I'm just going to fill some back in here until I can see some on the dipstick. Little flush action never hurt anything. I figure since it's so small, and I'm seeing some clumps of the gray stuff still coming out when I'm doing this, so if you guys want to do a little flush, you can too. I'm just using regular gear lube, just something I had in the shop. It's 80/90. I believe this bike calls for 85/90. Guys, it's not going to be that big a deal if you put something a little lower. I'm actually thinking like in the wintertime here in the Pacific Northwest, running like an even lighter weight oil in the gearbox. I honestly don't see it being a problem, but yeah, 80/90, whatever, somewhere in that ballpark, just regular gear oil should get the trick done. So one other cool thing about this, you guys, this drain plug, it does have a magnet in it. So this is a bolt, and it's definitely sticking to it. And as you can see, there's no metal shavings or anything in there, so we're looking good. I'm gonna get this drain plug put back in and fill her up. I just put a couple dabs in there. Then I'm just kind of leaning the bike over and spinning it, making sure it's all going in there. Alright, so the oil's right there, and you can actually see down in the hole. It's right there, and it's covering about, I don't know, 3/16 of the dipstick. So I'd say that's good. And there you have it, folks. Fresh oil in the gearbox. Like I said, I did a little flush on it, and then just fill it up to kind of where you can see it in the hole there, and it registers on the dipstick, and that'll be adequate. I wouldn't stress too much on the type of oil you use. It's not that big a deal in all reality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything I left out or any questions you guys have about this bike, let me know. This is an awesome Talaria. Mine's kind of modded out. If you guys want to see some of my mod videos or whatever, check it out. They'll be posted up here in the corner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.